Hey, get your mind out the gutter. This is an ATP test and swab, all right? What's up, y'all? It's America's favorite germaphobe coming at you in lovely Las Vegas. I'm out here doing some more baby gear, as always. We're gonna ATP test this car seat. We're gonna see what kind of reading we get off of it. I'm looking for a number less than 30. I haven't touched this thing yet, but we're gonna test it, get initial reading, do the germs we're gonna process, come back and test it again to show you the reduction in germs and what we do, all right? Now, this reading is not going to tell us what kind of germs are on there, just that there's going to be either something living on there or nothing's living on there, right? The higher the number, the more germs present. The lower the number, the less germs present, or activity, let's say bio activity, right? So let's get it tested. We're going to do right here where the seat is, right? That's where little so-and-so, oh, look at the snacks. Come on now. Little Johnny and little Susie, you know what I'm saying, gonna put their stuff, drop their food in there and do all that, right? So we're gonna crack it, squeeze it a couple times. Got a solution down there, we're gonna shake it up. While that's going, I'm gonna have our meter here. See our meter? It's blank. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the meter. In 15 seconds, we're gonna have a reading. Ooh, 1,778. That's really high. That's really high. So let me put that in perspective for you. The health department uses the same device, same test swabs, and what they look for is a reading less than 30. That means it's safe enough for food handling and things of that nature in a restaurant. This thing came in at 1,778. That means there's a 99% chance that there's pathogens growing in this car seat, right? So I'm gonna steam it, probiotic it up. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take another reading. We're gonna show you the reduction in what we do, all right? All right, so we got the other one. I'm gonna give this one a test. This one, not as many stains, but we got a little goop and stuff, like that. You know what I'm saying? Like all up in the creases and stuff. Here, buckles need a lot of work. So we're gonna actually just test the buckle, right? So see we're gonna test the buckle and the cup holders. This is where kids, I would say, spend a lot of their time touching. Straps and all that kind of stuff, right? So let's get that tested. All right, we're just gonna do one cup holder. All right, y'all, so I just got done steaming, putting the probiotics and everything on the car seats. Now we're gonna take some final tests on the ATP meter and see what we're reading at. And before we had 1,700 something and 1,900 something. So we got a few more seconds for this thing to warm up. Let me show you with these cars now. Look at that, bam. With some things you just can't get out, but it looks fantastic. All right, we ready. Here's our meter. Let's do this first one first. We did it on the seat. All right, did it on the seat. And then we come over here to the cup holder. All right. Oh, this one too. Ooh, watch out now. That's what we're looking for. That's a 9 on that one. Let's get another swab out. Another swab. Fresh one. All right, we got the buckles last time on this, right here. Boom. Then we came over here to this cup holder. And this one was real bad. We just did the handle and the cup holder. All right. Push it down. Give it a snap. $58. All right, hey, I'll take that over $19.99 any day. And the thing about probiotics, let me turn this around. The thing about trading and cleaning with probiotics is that it reduces ATP even further, right? So after the spray bottle is put away, those probiotics are going to keep working for at least 3, 4, 5 days at times, right? So it's going to sit there, sanitized, deodorized the entire time. Technically, I can't say sanitized because probiotics, the mechanism in which they reduce ATP is different from a chemical sanitizer or disinfectant or what have you. But you can read about that on the website. So that's it, y'all. Car seats, they look good. They're germ-free. We got these numbers down dramatically, down to single digits on one and 58 on another. We can live with that. All right, y'all. Till next time.